We'll be treating how to get more buyers on Facebook. So this time around, we are making use of another strategy entirely. Though you might have been making use of the strategy before, but one thing I want you to know is that when you get to watch this video, you are going to see more updates on that particular strategy you are using. In one way or the other, you are going to learn either either with what you are using before, or you getting this strategy entirely. So what now I want to do is, now you're going to be paying more attention on people that are running ads.
Art library. So when I come to art library, you can see this is the um and very first link we see here. So we come here. Now this is where you are going to get everybody that is running ads on Facebook. This is where you are going to get everybody that is running ads on Facebook. So it is very much easier for me to come to US because I've made my research and I realized that US has been the most country that make use of Facebook and they run ads very well on Facebook. But I don't need to make use of USA. I don't need to make use of USA. The best thing I'll just do is after my research I realized that immediately after USA the other platforms is Brazil. So now I'll make use of Brazil. So I'll search for Brazil here and I'll use Brazil. My art category, I'll make use of all arts and searching for my keywords, I'll just search for real estate. So it is going to bring me here. So here I now have the list of arts, people that run arts. The list of people that run arts. So
When you click on the see ad details, you're going to see the number of followers this person has, his Instagram followers as well. But that's not where we are going. So the link we copied earlier, here's it right here. So you can see ad details. When you see ad details, then you can now us go to the let's see the ads. So from here, we move to the guy's page. We move to his page. So here we have his page. I think this is the ads we viewed earlier. This is the ads. So you can see here now this particular person is a real estate agent. Now here is his phone number. If I want to contact him, I can make use of the phone number, the email, I can use Instagram, and I can use his website. But what I want us to check is the guy website. Now, basically, as an expert, as an expert, you don't need to start writing a lot of content in order for you to captivate or capture people's attention. Now, if it is me personally, you have your website here and you have your content here. Even if I click on this, it's going to take me back to the page. Then what is not the essence of this art? Do you want me to read this whole thing and then contact you here? No. Now, viewing his website. Now I can see that even the website is very okay in terms of design or anything. I think this one is still much okay. This is still much okay. Even if you want to make any editing, just a little bit of editing, but I don't think the website has much content to do. But one thing is that it is not everybody that is going to get here that will know how to make use of all this stuff. Not everyone. So the best thing you can do is these ads shouldn't be for this. You can just add a little content. After the content, you add the CTA. The CTA should is either the CTA takes them to your WhatsApp where they can get in touch with you. I don't know if this is what the number here is for, but I think for you to have this kind of ads as a real estate agent, we need to have a lead generation page, a funnel. So that CTA you have here is going to direct them to your lead generation page. So inside the lead generation page is what is where you are going to have all this. So when you have that, you are going to have a video on how to make use of this. So after they watch the video, you now have a button there. So the button is going to redirect them back to this page where they will now where they will now do it. But so the major thing here is me now trying to pitch myself to him, to explain myself to him, and convince him enough so that he can hire me to build a funnel for him. Not everything is funny. There are some that they are going to make use of store. When you get to their store, you will know automatically if what they need is funny or if what they need is just for them to get someone that can help them on their arts very well. So it is now in two ways. I can decide to draft out some content on the kind of message I can send to them. In two different ways. I can try to contact them directly and I can try to um, comment on their ads because commenting on their ads we attract them the more. We attract them the more. And one thing is I already draft out the content, but the content I draft it out in two ways. And here is it. Now I can just comment on that section, like I have a discussion with him under his comment section. Hey, I just came across your ads for a scrap product. It looks fantastic. I'm sure it is catching a lot of attention. And I just assume, let assume he replies with something like this. I give him some, but I now think of it again. Now let assume it is someone that he doesn't want this kind of discussion under his comment section. Probably after probably if peradventure any of his clients now come under the comment section and start seeing all this kind of discussion, we are going to see that he's not going to bring out enough conversion, and some will even start, you even decide to contradict what I'm saying there. So it won't make any sense. So I now draft the second one. Now I now want to message him under his comment section and at the same time take him to his DM. Now I can start with something like this. Start with a simple positive comment that is non-intrusive. This makes your initial engagement looks like a friendly, supportive, and interaction rather than a critic. Something like great ads. I love how you are showcasing your product. It's really eye catchy. After that, I can now give this quickly transition to private messaging. I've got some ideas that might help increase your engagement even further. Mind if I message you? Do you get that? So immediately when I'm done with all this, when I sent these two, I cannot message him. I just commented on your ad. I think you are doing a great job. I'd love to chat more about how you could optimize it further. Mind if I message you? So if that kind of person now gives you the reply you want, then you now know what you are going to say next. You know what you are going to give that person next. It's not all about you just messaging, drafting out the whole content, sending it to him. Some of them doesn't have, okay, let's say some of them doesn't really want all that. Just build a connection, build a network, and make sure your Facebook profile is well optimized. Your Facebook profile is well optimized. So you can decide. So this, as I said earlier, everything is all about funnel. There are some that what they need is just for you to redesign their page. Just come here. When you see that, you comment on that this, then you know how you are going to continue the discussion, how you are going to build the discussion. There are some all what they need is doing marketing. Just make sure you know what you are doing, and when you know what you are doing, you cannot get in touch with them. So I can decide to message here. I won't message on WhatsApp, no. I can decide to message here or I comment. And when I'm done with that, I can now go again. I can now go again and search for another ads. So let us check one more ads for this video. check one more ads. Yeah, this time around, I won't go to real estate. Let's go to fashion. So a lot of fashion ads. So everything here, this one is built, started running August 23. I think this is on Friday. This was on Friday. This was Monday last week. Okay, this was last week Monday. This also was last week Monday. So let's just pick one and see. Let's pick one and see. So let's read the ad details. Review the ad details. Yeah, so we come here, we copy the link, we check about the advertisements. 1.9 million followers. Don't just stress yourself. Don't just stress yourself. We are going to a lower engagement. So though let us check the ads. Let's see let's see how well the ads is doing. Let's see how well the ad is doing. Imagine 1 million likes. Let's just go to the page and let's see. Let's just go to the page and see. So this is not the ad. Is this the ad? No, I'm not sure. It doesn't have much engagement though. It doesn't have much engagement. You can message also, because I can see she only has more likes. She only has more likes. She doesn't have much engagement. Okay, let's keep checking. She doesn't have much engagement on her post. She doesn't have much engagement on her post. This kind of person you can contact. But if you see someone that is having 10k likes on her ads or his ads, person, try to contact this particular person. I can see the person is not having much engagement. You can see, click on this. You have this print, and I'm not sure for over 4 days now. She's there to reply the person. She's there to reply the person. So, if you're a social media manager, you can message her as a social media manager. Just let her know that you can manage her pages for her and let make sure you get in touch with all comments, and also you know how to run that, because I can see he has much likes, but I'm not seeing the likes now. I'm not seeing those likes. Like, he has likes, like they actually like his page, her page. Maybe he bought the like. We can't see. We can't really see. Maybe she bought the likes because post there is no much engagement. There's no much engagement. You have, let's check again. Let's check again. You have 1.9 million followers, 1.9 million likes, and you are telling me you can't be seeing over 10,000 likes every now and then. You won't be seeing over 10,000 likes. That's not possible. Probably bought the followers, the engagement, the followers and the likes. So you can get in touch. Don't forget, you check the um you check the link. So send the link. The link to me is not that okay. I can message her as a website designer to help her revamp and redesign her store, or I should let her know that she is going to need a sales funnel. She's going to need a sales funnel. So we run the ads, we promote the ads, we direct the ads to the sales funnel, and from there, boom, she's going to see sales. So it depends on the way you market yourself to them, the way you market yourself to them, the way you explain yourself to them. And as I do say, make sure you message anybody. Make sure you revamp your account. You make sure your Facebook page is your Facebook profile is very very okay. You post some of your project there, so by the time they want to know much about you, they go to your profile. They don't need to start stressing themselves because before they know what you are doing. Make sure you work on your profile before you start anything called scouting. You make sure you work on your profile, and when you get in touch with them, I'm very sure some will reply and some won't reply. Not everyone is going to reply you. And what you need the most is consistency. Consistency. Make sure you are very, very consistent about all these things. You consist and you persist. Make sure the energy you venture into it the first day is what you keep on putting to it till you see the results out of it. You see the result out of it. As an adage, as they normally say, the sky is too big for all birds to fly. There are a lot of niches you can actually search for. I already searched for two niches: real estate and what is it called, and fashion. And there are a lot of niches you can also go for. I think I have over 26, over 100 niches. I personally have 100 niches that I've written down, so you can work on that and make sure you work on your content. The content I said earlier is just for you to gain their attention. That is not the main message. It is after when they reply you, then you know what you are going to discuss to them. The major thing here is for them to it's for them to understand you, it's for them to reply you. After when they reply that you gain the connection, then